In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started. Monday.com tutorials. By the end, you'll have a free trial set up, a clean workspace to keep things organized, and your very first board ready to track work the way you want. First, let's sign up for a free trial on Monday.com. Head to the homepage and click the option to start for free. Enter a work email and create a secure password. You might be asked a few quick questions about your role or team size. These just help tailor the experience, so choose whatever best matches your situation. If you're prompted to confirm your email, go ahead and complete that step so your account activates properly. After that, you'll land in a short onboarding flow. You can answer the prompts to preload relevant templates or skip and customize later. A quick tip here. Use a team or company email so it's easier to invite collaborators down the line and keep everything in one place. Next, create a workspace. Think of a workspace as a top-level home for related boards, docs, and dashboards. Perfect for a department, a client, or a major project. From the left sidebar, choose the option to add a new workspace. Give it a clear, descriptive name and add a short description so anyone joining understands what lives there. Choose the right privacy level for your needs. You can keep it visible to your team or restrict it to a smaller group if you're handling sensitive projects. You can always invite teammates later once you've shaped things up. A simple rule of thumb: one workspace per major area of work helps keep everything tidy. Now, set up your first board using templates or from scratch. A board is where your tasks, projects, and workflows actually live. If you want a head start, open the Template Center and pick one that fits. Project management, marketing, CRM, or anything else close to your use case. Load it, then tweak it. Rename groups, adjust columns, and remove anything you won't use. If you prefer total control, create a blank board. Add a few groups to match your process, like planning, in progress, and done. Then add columns for status, assignee, due date, and any key details you track. Create a handful of sample items to test the flow. Explore views such as Kanban, Calendar, or Gantt to visualize work the way your team thinks. You can also add simple automations, for example, notifying an owner when a status changes to reduce manual follow-up. Start simple, iterate as you go, and keep your board focused on the information you actually need. That's it. Free trial, workspace, and your first board. You're off to a strong start.